Work executed in every business and corporation as we know it is divided into two categories. The first and the commonest category is the work we do to deliver value in exchange for revenue. This work, according to Paul Roberts, is termed business as usual operations. The second category of work is the work we do to bring about change in an organization. What I mean by change is simply improved capacity or a new unusual activity. For example, if an organization regularly sells 20 tons of maize grain every month and has done this for 3 years, and the organization desires to improve her sales from 20 tons of maize to 50 tons of maize so that they can increase their bottom line and revenue, the organization will not be able to achieve this business goal of 50 tons of maize grain sales by operating their business as usual. Hence, they will need to do something to their business that will guarantee sales of maize from 20 tons to 50 tons. Some of the activities needed to ensure realization of this new business strategic goal may be 1. Improving the current storage so as to accommodate more grains. 2. Recruit more salespeople to the sales team. 3. Acquire more trucks to deliver more maize. And of course, employ more truckers to drive the new trucks. And 4. Do a new sales campaign that will guarantee sales of 50 tons of maize. The set of activities one requires to engage in to improve capacity in order to deliver on new strategic business goals are referred to as projects. So projects are vehicles for delivering change. According to Gregory M. Horan, project is defined as the work performed by an organization one time to produce a unique outcome. By one time, we mean the work has a definite beginning and a definite end. And by unique, we mean the work result is different in one or more ways from anything the organization has produced before. Whether the organization is doing regular work, that is, work done by the department to maintain organization's performance, or it is doing unique work, which is projects, work ought to be managed and it is done through various frameworks and methodology. One of the most popular methods of managing projects is the waterfall methodology, which got its origin from the industrial paradigm of managing work. The industrial paradigm, or Taylorism, was invented by Frederick Winslow Taylor in 1911, and it divided work into the following 4 principles of management. And these principles are: number 1, select methods based on science, not the rule of thumb. So, Taylorism ensures that people do not do as they please, or they don't have their own unique interpretation of what work should be. Rather, they must follow a laid down approach to executing work. 2. Assign workers jobs based on their aptitudes. 3. Monitor worker performance. Taylorism emphasizes on monitoring, like a bird's eye view or like a top-down approach to executing work. Number 4, properly divide the work between managers and workers, where managers are the planners, inventors, creators, and workers are the executioners. So, Taylorism in a nutshell ensured that workers will only execute and not think. Workers will only execute and not strategize or conceptualize. The industrial paradigm, or Taylorism, did not give workers much rating. It reduced workers to mechanical executors and made management omniscient planners. Applied industrial paradigm to work might generate value if the nature of the task is simple. However, applying waterfall methodologies to complex projects did not yield commensurate value in comparison to effort. Yes, waterfall methodologies was an improvement on the preceding project management approach. However, it was highly unsuited to deliver value in complexities. Complex environments characterized by volatility, uncertainty, chaos, and ambiguity. Whenever the industrial paradigm was employed as a methodology to manage software projects, It led to delivering softwares that was largely unusable by clients. This method recorded turnout of products that were rejected by clients. This low utility of products delivered via waterfall methodologies necessitated a new way of doing work and delivering value. Hence, the birth of Agile in early 2000s by 17 leading software developers who conveyed at Snowbird, Utah. The output document was a resolution of 12 principles about how best softwares could be developed. The principles morphed into what is called the manifestos, and there are 4 in number.